finally done printing. Not 100% clean, so I'm going to have to play with it a little bit. Next will be the float test. Make sure that they sink like they're supposed to. Total print time, just short of 33 hours. Yeah. I have to work that out too, because that's not fast enough. That's the Apisto caves. I suppose we can pop one off and see how the yeah. Not printing all too clean, but I think I can clean it up with a little effort. I think it'll clean up okay. And this foot is just to help this thing stay in place, so it don't move on me. Yes, it sucks when they move. That's it.